Your graphics card is probably the heaviest, most expensive component in your entire build, and it's hanging off a PCIe slot like a chandelier bolted to a ceiling tile. Over time, it can stress your PCIe slot and even affect performance. That's the problem I'm going to help you solve today. I'm breaking down the top 5 best GPU support brackets you can actually trust. Whether you're rocking a mid-range card or a flagship monster, there's something here for you. Links are in the description below. Let's begin. At number 5, we've got the nkomax GPU brace support. And honestly, it's the kind of product that makes you wonder why you'd spend more. This little bracket is built entirely from aluminum alloy. That means no plastic aging, no cracking after a year, and no flex when your GPU decides to sag. The finish is surprisingly polished too. CNC machining with sandblasted anodizing gives it a sleek look that doesn't scream for attention. The base hides a magnetic foot. You just drop it into your case and it locks in place. Installation takes less than a minute. That's honestly faster than most cable management jobs. The screw-type height adjustment lets you dial in the exact support your GPU needs. The anti-scratch cushioning pad means you won't mar your card's finish. Now, the compact size is both a blessing and a limitation. At roughly half an inch by half an inch by just under 3 inches, it weighs only 30 grams. It blends into your build and won't block airflow. But that same compact frame may not play nice with ultra-thick cards. Something like the RTX 4090 Founders Edition may not clear the PSU bay in certain cases. The height might come up short. There's also a size choice to think about. The larger variant can look oversized in compact builds, so you'll want to measure before you click buy. Yet for most mid-range to high-end cards like the RTX 4070 or RX 7900 XT, this thing is rock solid. It's purely functional. No RGB, no glass, no flashing lights, just a hunk of metal that keeps your GPU straight. You won't find a simpler fix for the money, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. Next up is the JoyJom Adjustable GPU Support Bracket. This one takes a completely different approach to staying put. Instead of magnets, JoyJom uses a strong adhesive pad on the base. You stick it to your PSU shroud or case floor. Then you adjust the height and lock it in place. The adhesive is permanent once applied, so you'll want to be sure about placement before you commit. That might sound limiting, but it also means this bracket isn't going anywhere. Even under the heaviest cards, it stays planted. The height range covers 35 to 120 millimeters. That's enough to handle most case layouts and GPU sizes on the market. That wide range is a big deal if you run a tall card in a deep case. It's rated for cards up to 75 millimeters thick. That puts it firmly in RTX 4090 territory. The solid alloy construction gives you confidence that it won't buckle under load. Installation is genuinely tool-free. You don't need screws, mounts, or a screwdriver. Simply peel, stick, adjust, and lock. Beginners will appreciate how straightforward the whole process is, and the minimalist design stays out of the way. It won't block airflow. It won't clash with whatever lighting scheme you've got running. Now, sure, the adhesive base is a one-way street. If you reposition it multiple times, the grip weakens. And if you upgrade your case down the line, you're buying a new bracket. There's also no RGB or aesthetic flair here. It's purely functional. That's fine if you want a set-it-and-forget-it solution. For builders who want a reliable fix without worrying about flashy extras, this is the no-nonsense workhorse. It does one job, and it does it well. At number 3, we get into the territory where function meets style. The EZDIY-FAB GPU holder brace is for builders who want their rig to look sharp, and they want to keep that expensive GPU safe. The design uses a lengthened, bent shape. It reaches under large modern GPUs, like the RTX 3000 series and RX 6000 series. Keep in mind, your case needs at least 7 PCIe expansion slots for this to fit. It mounts into the rear expansion slots, so compatibility isn't universal. The build quality is sturdy aluminum alloy. It's lightweight but strong. It won't let your card droop over time. The universal support arm adjusts easily for different GPU heights. EZDIY-FAB includes 2 types of rubber pads. That matters because different GPUs have different fan spacing. You want support without blocking airflow. The rubber pads swap out in seconds. You pick the one that matches your card's fan layout. Now, the interesting part, this bracket comes with a built-in 5-volt 3-pin ARGB LED strip. It syncs with motherboard software like AuraSync, Mystic Light, and iCUE. The lighting adds a katana-like accent inside your case. That's a nice touch if you're already running an RGB build. The black finish keeps things sleek. The overall look complements rather than overwhelms. There are trade-offs, though. Extra-large GPUs, like the RTX 5080 Master, or certain gigabyte models may be too tall for the included bracket. The lighting is vibrant, but it's not quite on par with the premium Corsair ecosystem. And because it occupies 2 rear expansion slots, you might lose flexibility for other add-ins. Still, for gamers who want both protection and style, this bracket balances the two nicely. It earns its place by doing more than just holding up your card. And then, we have the Cooler MasterAccessory ARGB GPU holder stand. And this is where GPU support starts to double as a centerpiece. Cooler Master built this thing from tempered glass with edge-lit ARGB. That alone sets it apart from every aluminum bracket on this list. The glass stand catches light and spreads it along the edges. It creates a premium look that draws the eye without being distracting. The glass feels substantial in your hand. It doesn't feel like a toy. It supports most GPUs in horizontal orientation. Both the length and height are adjustable. That flexibility means it works across a wide range of cases and card sizes. The 5-volt 3-pin ARGB strip syncs with major motherboard ecosystems. Your lighting stays coordinated, and setup is tool-free. You just adjust the stand, set it under your GPU, and you're done. The anti-sag support is robust enough for heavy cards like the RTX 4080 and 4090. Cooler Master clearly designed this for enthusiasts who care about aesthetics as much as function. In an RGB build, this doesn't hide in the corner. It becomes part of the visual story. But that same premium design comes with practical limits. The tempered glass stand needs more clearance than basic metal braces. Compact cases might struggle to fit it, and you're paying more here for the materials and the look. Yet, for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want their GPU support to make a statement, this is the premium showpiece. It protects your card while adding a level of polish that basic brackets simply can't match. And finally, at number 1, we have the ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card holder. This is the bracket that checks every box, then adds a few you didn't know you needed. Let's start with the build. The construction is solid zinc alloy. That's a step up from aluminum, and it shows. This thing is strong enough to support even the heaviest flagship GPUs like the RTX 4090. No wobbling, no flexing. The height adjusts from 72 to 128 millimeters. That covers a wide variety of chassis and GPU combinations. What really sets the Herculx apart is the attention to detail. Installation is completely tool-free. You get an adjustable wheel for fine-tuning the height and a release button for smooth removal. No screws, no mounts, no frustration. But here's the clever part. ASUS built in a magnetic spirit level. That means you can see exactly when your GPU is sitting perfectly straight. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you use it. The embedded 3D ARGB element syncs with ASUS Aura Sync through Armory Crate. If you're already in the ROG ecosystem, the integration is seamless. The design also matches ASUS white components. The white finish blends perfectly with ROG motherboards and coolers. Everything looks intentional. Themed builds get a cohesive look from top to bottom. Now, this is a premium product, and that means premium space requirements. Some users have reported clearance issues in smaller cases. Certain PSU shrouds sit too high. That leaves no room for the base. You'll want to check your measurements carefully before committing. But for builders who want their GPU support to be more than functional, the Herculx delivers. It's strong, it's stylish, and it's packed with thoughtful extras: the tool-free install, the spirit level, the ARGB integration. It all adds up to a bracket that feels like a genuine accessory rather than an afterthought. If you're building a high-end rig, you want every component to reflect that investment. This is the one that sits at the top of the mountain for a reason. Thanks for stopping by. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to Master Tech for more tech content like this. Catch you in the next video.